ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಕಂಕನಾಡಿಯ ಫಾದರ್ ಮುಲ್ಲರ್ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಮತ್ತು ಇಮ್ಯುನೊಹೆಮಟಾಲಜಿ ಮತ್ತು ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ವಿಭಾಗದ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ವಿಶ್ವ ರಕ್ತದಾನಿಗಳ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯನ್ನ ಫಾದರ್ ಮುಲ್ಲರ್ ಮಿನಿ ಹಾಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಸಲಾಯಿತು. ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಫಾದರ್ ಮುಲ್ಲರ್ ಮಿನಿ ಹಾಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದ ವಿಶ್ವ ರಕ್ತದಾನಿಗಳ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಗಣ್ಯರು ದೀಪ ಬೆಳಗಿಸಿ ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಿದರು. ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಫಾದರ್ ಮುಲ್ಲರ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾದ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಸಿಂಥಿಯಾ ಸಾಂತಮಯ್ಯರವರು ಮಾತನಾಡಿ, ನಾನು ಹಲವಾರು ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ರಕ್ತದಾನ ಮಾಡುವ ಕಾಯಕ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ರಕ್ತದಾನದಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೋರ್ವರ ಜೀವ ಉಳಿದಂತಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದರು.
Coming from an O negative group, I got the first opportunity at 11:45 midnight. So that was the time I was sleeping and someone came to know that I was O negative, and I was puzzled because that was first time and I was very young then, just 23 when I donated for the first time, and I do not know, from then onwards something changed in me, and every year, maybe twice a year, also sometimes even thrice a year I have given blood, and then when I went on to some health conditions and I had to reduce the number of donation that I did. But what I learned from all this, kindness is never wasted.
ಮತ್ತೋರ್ವ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಾಗಿದ್ದ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯದ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ನ ಡೀನ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ ಸಾಮೀನ್ ಅವರು ಮಾತನಾಡಿ, ಆರೋಗ್ಯವಂತ ಯುವ ಜನಾಂಗ ರಕ್ತದಾನ ಮಾಡುವ ಮೂಲಕ ತುರ್ತು ಪ್ರಾಣಾಪಾಯದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ರೋಗಿಗಳ ಪ್ರಾಣ ಉಳಿಸಲು ಮುಂದಾಗಬೇಕು ಎಂದರು.
When I was born, my mother lost a lot of blood and she became unconscious. I was born in Mission Hospital, Murphy, and that time it was a very difficult situation. I'm talking of 1973, where things were not that favorable. So some medical fraternities, some nurses or sisters, I do not know, they donated blood and saved my mother. And if they wouldn't have saved, probably my mother wouldn't have survived the difficult situation. And she was in coma for 1 or 2 days, I think 3 days she could not communicate. But she survived. And over a period of time, my mother told me this story to me. Then I wanted to go and help them or do something to those people who saved my mother.
ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರಾದ ರೆವರೆಂಡ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಪಾಪ್ಸ್ಟೇ ಲುಕಾಸ್ ಲೋಬೋ ಅವರು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷತೆಯನ್ನು ವಹಿಸಿ ರಕ್ತದಾನದ ಮೌಲ್ಯವನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಯಪಡಿಸಿದರು.
Blood is to flow and we have to allow it to flow. We have to allow it to flow not outside but to another person. Somehow blood is precious. In the olden days, the Jews believed that blood is a symbol of life. Blood is a symbol of life. For them, blood automatically said that it is the source of life. When blood is going out of a person, they believe that life is going out. So therefore, they were somehow against giving blood because they were thinking that one person's life would enter into someone else and there will be confusion. So that was the kind of feeling. So blood, though we do not believe that it is the source of life, but that keeps life, keeps us alive. Therefore, it is precious for us. Today, I would like to see blood as a life-giving matter, life-giving.
ಇದೇ ವೇಳೆ ರಕ್ತದಾನಿಗಳನ್ನು ಗಣ್ಯರು ಅಭಿನಂದಿಸಿದರು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾದರ್ ಮುಲ್ಲರ್ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಆಡಳಿತಾಧಿಕಾರಿ ವಂದನೀಯ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಮೈಕಲ್ ಎಲ್ ಸಾಂತಮಯ್ಯರ್ ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ಮೊದಲಾದವರು ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು. ನಾಗೇಶ್ ಕಾವೂರು, ವಿ4 ನ್ಯೂಸ್, ಮಂಗಳೂರು.